up, y'all? Back at it again with another video. Got my little man with me. Say what's up? Yeah, you up on the road. Shit, another trip. Colorado, here we go. We've been begging and begging, but it's just been cold, so now it's not that cold and snowing, so I feel safe to take them now. Yep. Little man with me. So we're gonna keep y'all updated. Say deuces to the camera. Say deuces.
Thank you.
Come on. Stand up. Right here. All right, come on. Say what's up, y'all? So we about to go out here working on the road. You want to clean the windows?
Yeah.
Let's clean the windows, brother.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, filling the truck up. Come on, go, little man. Come on, grab this right here. Y'all got to start them young.
Yeah.
Right here, grab the other end. Grab it right here. Grab it right here where Daddy hand at.
Okay.
Come on. Right here. Put both hands on. Put both. All right. Flip it. You know what? You go in. Start back up. Go in. You know what? Oh, this is start. Oh. All right, now let's go easy. Right from there. See? Now let that do this. Let's do the big window. Come on, let's do the front window. Here, grab it. Right here. Go up. Push it. Yeah. Up. Yeah. All right, let Daddy do it. Let Daddy do it. All right, come on.
What's that noise?
That's the truck.
What?
Yeah. You want me to become a trucker when you get over?
Yeah.
You want to drive trucks?
Yeah.
Let's say it to the camera. You want to drive truck? Say, I want to drive
I would like
trucks.
trucks.
How old are you?
I do.
Like this. Yeah, y'all, I got my 2-year-old with me out here on the road. He been begging and begging and pulling. But yeah, we out here in Denver, Colorado. I mean, not Denver. Albuquerque, New Mexico. On our way to Denver. Go ahead and top him off on some fuel. And get back trucking, y'all. See those stanky cows looking at you, do them? They stink, Dodo? Yeah. Alright, y'all, just got done getting loaded out here. Woo. Little short video. Shit, now I'm trying to find a load back home. They had messed me up. I booked the load, already pre-booked, and all of a sudden they pushed the load back to Wednesday. So I'm looking for another load. Might just probably dead head to Phoenix and get a load from there, then come right back out. Cause I'm trying to make that Florida show. I go to watch some trucks and stuff. Yeah. Let's get down this road though. What's up, y'all? Just a little update in Winslow, Arizona at the Mavericks. About to get some fuel, top off. See, fuel prices getting going low, back down now. It's 287 or 289 credit. Then it's 281, I believe, cash. I'm gonna find out when I get in here, but that's what the sign. Oh yeah, 289. Can't see, but it's too far. Yeah, it's 281 cash for diesel. Just a little update. Headed to Phoenix, pick the load up to head back to Cali. So. Start this truck off. Probably wondering why I'm filling up the right side. I got a little leak on got a crack at the bottom of my tank on my left, on my driver's side, so just filling up my right. No point of filling up the left, it's gonna leak and waste fuel. But you know, I got 200-gallon tanks, so it does the job. I can get, depends how heavy I am, but I get close to 800 miles off of one tank. We're close, so I don't try to run empty. But yeah, y'all can see, got some light problems, some wires, all that snow I've been running into. Cut my lights out. So when I get back home, see, I got a little project to do. Took all my lights, got lights on here. Yeah, a little walk around. Sure, everything looks good. So I know I got brand new tires all the way around. Y'all can see. Yeah. The lights working. Brand new. I see the meat on it. I see the meat. Yeah. But should I? Just a little update before I end this video. Forgot to record when I picked my load up in Phoenix, but I ended up making Los Angeles. Delivered down there. It's pulled out. Closed my doors. So I'm about to head on home. Head on back to the crib, y'all. Y'all see got lights out. Might try to figure out wiring them up, but yeah. Basically the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And anything y'all want to see in the next couple videos, go ahead and leave y'all comments. I'll make sure I get to those. Appreciate it. Thank you.